Hi friends and family, it's Wendy with The Wendy Moore, and I'm so excited because it's early in the month of April and I'm already coming to you with my March unboxing videos of our loyalty rewards orders. So let's get right to it. I've got a lot to share. First up is our Balance Complete. This is our morning shake, and this has a total of 15 servings in the canister, and it is a balance of our carbs and our proteins. I love the vanilla flavor, and it never gets old for me because I like the vanilla in with my spinach and the other things that I add to the shake. But if you are more of a chocolate person, we do have another option, and that is our chocolate pure protein. Or my hack is, if I want chocolate some days and I don't want to maybe use my spinach and the other goodies in it, then I'll just use a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half of cocoa powder, and then all of a sudden I have made my own chocolate. And I'm not putting in extra sugars or any of the stuff that I don't want from some of the off-the-shelf products that are available out there. So this is something that we use every single morning. And then next up is our sulfurzyme. Sulfurzyme helps to support a healthy metabolism. It also supports our joints and our mobility. I love this product because it's a powder and it is available in capsules, but I went to the powder because I don't have to wait either an hour prior or an hour after my meal to take the capsules. So this one is enhanced with Ningxia wolfberry, and it tastes delicious. I actually, when I forget to put it in my shake, I miss it. So I can taste a difference in it, and I'm enjoying the benefits from it. Then our Super Cow Plus. This product is a blend of manganese, magnesium, and calcium, and vitamin D3. So this is also another healthy support for our bones and our joints. Then we've got, these are from the Bloom collection. And we've got one upside down and one right side up. Now they're both upside down. So let's see, this one is our brightening lotion. I'll just show you the bottle in case you haven't seen it. So this is our Bloom brightening collection, and I have had a series of dark spots here. I think it's from being a passenger in the car because it's not on this side, and I don't drive as much as my husband does. So this side had some dark spots, and I'm thrilled to say that they are lightening and diminished. So I am really happy about that. Plus, it's a very light moisturizer. When it goes on, it doesn't feel heavy, and I like that for my daytime moisturizer. Another cute thing, let me just show you, if you've not seen this before, we're gonna ruin this box. I'm not gonna be able to get it open. Here we go. Taking time. But we're all about sustainability, and my grandkids always like it when I get this box because they get like a mandala coloring project inside that they can cut out, and they can use it in other applications. So they think that's really cool to get that. And then the other Bloom product that I ordered is, this one is the Bloom Brightening Essence. So this one, you can see there's mica in here. I don't know if you can see it, but that is not a frosted bottle. That is the naturally sourced mica. And this one, I give it a little shake, and then I put a little bit in my palm of my hand before my moisturizer after I've cleansed my face in the morning, and I just pat it around my face to give me a healthy glow, and I always make sure I catch this area as well. So those are two products that I had run out of. And then these products are, I believe all of these are free this month with a purchase. Yes, they all are. Okay, couldn't remember if I'd ordered an oil or not. So let's start with one of my absolute favorites, and this is joy. Who doesn't need a little more joy in their lives? This one I put on my pulse points. I love this in the diffuser with by itself, but I found my favorite way is to add a few drops of grapefruit essential oil, and it's like a yin and yang, the play of it, and it's so yummy. Then we've also got geranium, and geranium is another one of our floral scents, perfect for spring. I love this application. I'll use it topically for my face. I'll put it in the diffuser, and either way, it's absolutely delightful. Geranium, I like to put, along with the geranium in the diffuser, I will put a couple of drops of peppermint. And again, it's just a little pop and a little elevation of it. There's so many things that you can use to make another diffuser blend. And if you check my Facebook page, The Wendy Moore on Facebook, actually it's the ampersand sign at Wendy Moore Naturally, and you'll find tons of diffuser recipes, including geranium. And then our jade lemon. Jade lemon is another one that is bright and fresh for spring or anytime, and it blends well with so many oils. And this one is always in my diffuser during the spring because it's just so uplifting and bright. Bloom. That sound familiar? So we've got a scent called Bloom, and this one is beautiful in the diffuser as well. And then we've got Gathering. And Gathering just is one of the oils that the name kind of says it all. When we had a gathering of family and friends, we put this in the diffuser, and it was bringing everyone together. So I love that. And then my next box is another canister of Balance Complete that we already talked about. It's because two of us using it in the house, we go through it. And then I ordered one master formula because I had done a large order last month with several in the packaging that I got. So we only needed one to get us through the rest of the month. And I will be ordering more, of course, in March. And then we can't go without our Thieves toothpaste. This is our Aroma Bright formula. It leaves my teeth feeling so clean. Used to be that I would brush my teeth. If I ate anything during the day afterwards, I felt like I had sweaters on my teeth. This leaves my mouth feeling fresh and clean all day long, and there's no fluoride in our formulations. If you are not familiar with why you don't want fluoride, just do a Google search for dangers of fluoride, and it may be eye-opening for you. But this product is phenomenal, and it also brightens our smiles, and so I don't need to use chemical whiteners. Love that. And then I got a little love note from Young Living that says, "Congratulations, you shared the love and scored an easy as 1, 2, 3 reward. Enjoy the sweet scent of your success." And I received a bottle of our Red Shot. And Red Shot, if you are familiar with the Ningxia Red, the beautiful red bottles that I show you every couple of months, or the packets, this is an enhancement for that, just a flavor pop that's just really unique and delicious. So I'm excited because my last Red Shot was almost up, and I was going to have to order one, and it's like Young Living read my mind. So that is my order for March. I thank you for joining me, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, please include them in the on the YouTube page that this is posted on. And I'll look forward to seeing you with my April order, hopefully early in the month. Take care. Bye.